So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. But for this trick you just have to complete 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel and then you can apply for custom URL. So let's start our video how you can create a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So let's go on screen. You just have to open your channel's dashboard on Chrome browser, and after this you come on the option customization. After this click on basic info. Here you can see set a custom URL and then create a URL here and the second option, and here you can type any letters or numbers, and if you don't want then click on publish. I will write here, you can see for your example I will write any letters, and if you don't want then click on backspace and click on publish and confirm that. Then your custom URL is just ready. So likely you have seen how you can set a custom URL for your YouTube channel, and if you want to know about top 3 sources of background music then see the right video, and if you want how you can share your computer's internet to mobile phone then see the left video. Bye bye.